Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best cashback Forex rebate brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized online trading platform that offers comprehensive services for Forex and CFD trading. Established in 1996, the company has built a reputation for providing a reliable and transparent trading environment. Oanda offers competitive pricing, advanced tools, and flexible account types to accommodate both beginner and experienced traders. Oanda offers a wide range of trading instruments, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios across multiple asset classes. These include Forex, indices, commodities, shares, and cryptocurrencies. This diverse selection ensures flexibility and opportunities for traders of all levels. Oanda offers a range of advanced trading platforms tailored to meet the needs of both beginner and experienced traders. One of its key platforms is MetaTrader 5, a powerful multi-asset trading platform known for its enhanced trading tools, advanced charting capabilities, and improved order management. MetaTrader 5 supports algorithmic trading with expert advisors, offering traders greater automation and efficiency. Traders can also utilize TradingView, which offers intuitive charting tools and social trading capabilities, as well as Oanda's proprietary mobile trading platform, designed for a seamless mobile trading experience. These platforms ensure flexibility, comprehensive analysis tools, and efficient trade execution, catering to various trading strategies. Oanda offers a variety of trading account types designed to meet the needs of different traders. Their standard account is suitable for all traders, providing access to competitive spreads, zero commission trading, and a wide range of instruments. For high-volume traders, Oanda offers the premium account, which requires a minimum deposit or trading volume threshold and provides benefits such as volume-based rebates, a dedicated relationship manager, and fee reimbursements. The Premium Plus account is tailored for elite traders, offering greater rebates, exclusive trading resources, and additional perks like spread discounts and API access. Additionally, Oanda provides a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to support traders at all skill levels. These offerings include webinars, tutorials, and market analysis, helping traders develop their knowledge of Forex and CFD trading. Beginners can access trading guides and fundamental analysis tools, while experienced traders benefit from advanced strategies and technical analysis insights. With real-time market news and interactive learning material, Oanda equips traders with the necessary tools to enhance their trading skills and make informed decisions in the financial markets. At number 4 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online Forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of Forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic Forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of Forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels. providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best cashback Forex rebate brokers, we have Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of forex trading. And those are some of the top 5 best cashback forex rebate brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.